Welcome to Caribbean Thought. I'm your professor, Renaldo McKenzie. We will not have a full class this week. However, we're still in the embryonic stages of the class, which involves laying the foundation and setting the stage. For those of us who were at class last week, you would have begin to understand and to ferment in your minds ideas about this course. One of the things that we want to highlight in this course, Caribbean thought is not Caribbean family life. It's not Caribbean theology. It's not Caribbean philosophy. However, it is a course that involves the exploration of Caribbean history, Caribbean theology, Caribbean philosophy, and life, critically using Afrocentric and subaltern paradigms. Subaltern or history from below, subaltern or paradigm, so Afrocentric paradigm or history from below. When we talk about, in other words, we are looking at history. We're providing a perspective on history, a perspective on life, a perspective on theology, one that is uniquely Caribbean, but that is rooted in a paradigm that still embraces academia. It has to be epistemological, but epistemology, what is Caribbean epistemology? How do we arrive at truth? But Caribbean is part of the Western world. The Caribbean, we say, is an invention, or is supposed to be an invention, stemming from Christopher Columbus. So we say the Caribbean is an invention. What will it be in the 21st century? But many can push back against that. But we have to first understand and to look at the perspectives. What perspective? What is our approach to Caribbean?